Are you willing to get into e-commerce? Are you looking to sell your products or services online? How do you attract customers? How much is your marketing spend? How much is your conversion rate? Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal from your retail coach. We are retail and e-commerce management consultants, and today we are going to discuss what is CAC. The full form of CAC is cost of customer acquisition. The cost of customer acquisition is a metric that measures the average amount of money a business spends to acquire a new customer. It provides insight into the effectiveness and efficiency of a company's marketing and sales efforts. For example, let's say a company spends $10,000 on marketing and sales activities in a month and acquires 100 new customers. The CAC would be 10,000 divided by 100, that is $100 per customer. Different industries and business models have varying CAC benchmarks. For instance, in a software as a service industry where subscription-based models are common, the CAC can be higher due to longer customer lifetime value. According to a survey conducted by OpenView Partners, the average CAC for SaaS companies in 2020 was around $1,437. On the other hand, e-commerce companies often have lower CAC. For instance, a study by Shopify found the average CAC for their merchants was around $60. If your CAC is higher than the industry standards, it indicates that you need to improve your customer acquisition methods, or that is, your products or services may not be appealing enough to the customers. On the other hand, a low CAC can be a good sign, which means your business is efficiently acquiring new customers and may have a competitive advantage in its market. CAC is one of the very important metrics for e-commerce businesses to make informed decisions about their marketing strategies and allocation of resources. So what is your CAC? Do type out in the comment box. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and keep watching.